Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to our presentation of Recon Text Analysis. We are from EIP class B08 from group 5. And these are our members. First, there are Didi Wahyudi, then Endra Surya, Dimas Ari, Farizar Wibawa, Fatima Azahra, and Monica Triana Dewi. Okay, here are the texts that we're going to explain to you all. This text is about the writer that experienced to live with an American family for 2 months. The structure of the text that we have been analyzing is as be shown in the presentation. There are orientation, events, and reorientation. We have changed the color of the paragraph so you all can see the difference.
Okay, I am Endra Surya. I will explain the orientation of the text. Subject of the text is the preacher. The text happened when the preacher was 16 years old. It happened in Boston, United States. The text is about the preacher experience to live with an American family.
I'm Farizar Wibawa, and here I want to explain about the description present simple in the event paragraph. First, I went to Boston to live with an American family for 2 months only. There are life there that are verb 1 that can be the present simple. 2, one of the things I remember quite clearly was my arrival. To start with, I missed the train from New York to Boston. I remember that our verb 1. The third is for 3 days I did not say a word. Now I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke. There are no there that are verb 1 that can be the present simple. Number 4, there are fortunately after 1 week I felt more confident. I start to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me. There are speak there that are the verb 1 word that can be the present simple.
I am Dimas Ari Surya Wicaksana. I will explain about the past tense in the event section. The first one is when I was 16 years old, I went to the United States. Number 2, I went to Boston to live with an American family for 2 months only. Number 3, when I arrived at the family house. Number 4, after 1 week, I feel more confident. Number 5, I missed the train from the New York to Boston. And number 6, I started to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me.
Hello, my name is Fatima Azahra from class D71. I will explain about the verb 1 of the verb from the event section of this recount text. The verb 1 of missed is miss. The verb 1 of arrived is arrive. The verb 1 of lost is lose. The verb 1 of feel is feel. The verb 1 of did is do. The verb 1 of spoke is speak. The verb 1 of started is start. The verb 1 of begin is begin.
Hello, I'm Monica Triana Dewi. I will explain about the temporal conjunction at different parts from the text. The first, when I was 16 years old, I went to the United States. I was studying then, and that was the first time I left home. The temporal conjunction is then. The second, for 3 days, I did not say a word. No, I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke. The temporal conjunction is no. The third, fortunately, after 1 week, I felt more confident. I started to speak a little, and the people in the house began to understand me. The temporal conjunction is after.
Okay, I am Niki Wahyudi. Now I will explain the reorientation of the text in the last paragraph of the text. It is explained that the character feels very interested in the situation in Boston. He also makes new friends who are his old friends. And he also said this experience will be forgotten. So we can conclude that this text has a happy ending.
Okay, that's all from us, Group 5. Thank you for your attention and hope you like it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we're from Group 4, and here we're going to present our analysis of the texts that were given to us. With the members,
I am Edelweiss Dorvala with number student F0221-079.
and myself, Rafi Fanur Aziza, with student number B03211067.
And I am Dimas Arjuna Bayu Pamungkas, F02211071.
And I'm Azana Bila, F02211043.
And I am Dewi Nasari, F02211065.
Sorry Kai, di mute.
And I am Dewi Rainasari with student number 502211065.
And I'm Irina Putri Dwi Nenggolan, E is 0021626.
Okay, this is text of our groups, and this is the orientation. The orientation have 4. Number 1, who is Anna, when, in Thursday morning, where, at home, and what. Anna going to school with her lucky blue skirt and her new shoes.
These are the past tense. Yes, good, when, cool, loved, earnest, when, Carl started, tired, and next, to.
Next, we have verb ones from the verb twos that we found earlier. There are 12 pairs in total, as you can see. The first one of God is get, when is go, could, can, was, is, loved, love, sharpened, sharpen, ate, eat, arrived, arrive, called, call, started, start, tried, try, and last but not least, took is the verb to of take.
Now we're going to the present simple. From this text analysis, we can found the present simple and her mother teach is fourth grade. Dari kalimat ini kita dapat mengambil present simple pada kalimat teach and her mother teach fourth grade. Next.
Okay, next, I will show and explain conjunction in this event. There are two types of conjunction in this context. First, coordinating conjunction in the text for, then, and. For example, in the sentence, he has new clothes that fit and new shoes too. Second, subordinating conjunction in this text. After, so, where, until. For example, in the sentence, after lunch until it's time to go home. Next.
Okay, reorientasi text. After the test was over, the class played outside for a long time. Then they are at lunch. After lunch, they watch a fun movie and then they picture until it was time to go home. It was a great day. Jadi ada ciri kebahasannya, ada 4. Yang pertama ada past tense, action verb, konjungsi to be was. Past tense dicirikan menggunakan to be was. Kata kerja kedua seperti play, ate, watch, and draw. Action verb ada played, ate, watch, and draw. Ada konjungsi ex after and until. Dan terakhir ada to be itu ada was, draw, and watch. Thank you.
So that was our presentation about analysis the text. Sorry if there's any mistake, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from class year 2TA. Today we are going to present our mini project. In this presentation, we will discuss about analysis of written text. But before we study this material, let me introduce myself and my friend. Hello, my name is Nandita Merojati. You can call me Sam.
Hello, my name is Alafia Nusia Jauhari. You can call me Fia.
Hello, my name is Chandra Dwi Prasa. You can call me Ki.
My name Dani Setiawan. You can call me Dani.
My name Elsa Pirliana Arianini. You can call me Elsa.
My name is Vanessa Camila. You can call me Naswa.
Okay, I'm Saritaria Kemerojati. First, I will explain to you about the general structure of written text. In this text, the orientation is Gerard lost third grade. He had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room. First, they did reading each morning. Gerard loved that class. They read great stories out of the reading book. Some of them were plays and they all took turns acting out those stories. They could work in their workbook. That was fun too, but there was one big problem in third grade. They had to multiply in math. And then, the event is, Gerard did not want to spend time each day studying the multiplication text. They said the multiplication text in class. His parents called out multiplication facts at home. This was no fun for Gerald. He liked to add and subtract. He just hated learning the multiplication facts. Then, one morning, Mrs. Harold came into the classroom. She was holding a tape recorder, microphone, and a headset. She told Gerald she was in charge of the lesson that day. Everyone was going to be recording the multiplication facts. Gerald lost it. It was just like being a star holding the microphone. He held it out so everyone could be heard. And the last reorientation is Mrs. Harold told Gerald to make sure he told the class to go home and study because they will record the lesson again the next day. Gerald went home and learned it and every fact. He wanted to make sure he could answer it one the next day. Multiplication was quick fun. Next.
My name is Alafiana Sejauhari. Next slide, I will tell you about orientation in this paragraph word. The orientation is Gerald loved the class. He had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room. First, they did reading each morning. Gerald loved that class. They read great stories out of their reading books. Some of them were plays, and they all took turns acting out the story. They could work in their workbooks. They was fun too, but there was one big problem in third grade. They had to multiply in math. And then, who is Gerald? And then when is he was in third grade? And then where is Mrs. Harold's room, or in this class? And the last is what? What is one big problem in third grade? They had to multiply in math. Next.
My name is Elsa Berliana Arianini. In this slide, I will tell you about simple past tense in the events. First, they said the multiplication facts in class. Second, his parents called out multiplication facts at home. Third, it was no fun for Gerald. Fourth, he liked to add and subtract. Fifth, he just hated learning the multiplication facts. Sixth, then one morning Mrs. Harold came into the classroom. Seventh, he was holding a tape recorder, microphone, and a headset. 8. She told Gerald he was in charge of the lesson that day. 8. Everyone was going to be recording the multiplication fact. 9. Gerald loved this. It was just like being a star holding that microphone. 10. He held it out so everyone could be heard. Next.
My name Danis Setiawan. After then, I'd like you to show the verb one of the verb. So, what verb does the past tense come from? Said, say, call it, call, was, is, like it, like, hated, hate, came, come, held, hold, told, tell, loved, love, could, can, heard, her. So you can say the verb one of the said is say, like that. Next.
I am Chandra Dwi Pratama. In this part, I will tell about conjunction of this context. First, it can find in sentence like to add and subtract. Second, in sentence then, one morning Mrs. Harold came into the classroom. And last one, in sentence, she was holding a tape recorder, microphone, and a headset. Next.
Hello, my name is Naswana Sakamila and I will tell you about reorientation of the text. Mrs. Harrod told Gerard to make sure he told the class to go home and study because they would record the lesson again the next day. Gerard went home and learned each and every fact. He wanted to make sure he could answer each one the next day. Multiplication was great fun. All sentences from the reorientation part are simple past tense. The first simple past tense is Mrs. Harrod told Gerard to make sure he told the class to go home and study because they would record the lesson again the next day. The second is Gerard went home and learned each and every fact. Third, he wanted to make sure he could answer each one the next day. Fourth, multiplication was great fun. This story has a happy ending because in the end, Gerard likes to learn multiplication because multiplication is fun. Next. We hope this presentation has given us new insight on the recount text. We apologize if there are words that are not pleasing. Thank you all for taking time to listen our presentation. See you.
Hello, we are from Group 2 will analyze account text. Next. Our group members are first Dimas Adityanto, Sarah Esvendi, Dia Intan Putri Tama, Rini Kusmawardani, Diana Alvina Purwi Santi, Marcella Dika Aprilia, and then Tiara Fajar Ratna Puspa. Next. First of all, we will analyze about the generic structure of the recount text. First, there are orientation that contains who was involved, what happened, where the event took place, and when it happened. In our opinion, the orientation of this text is on the sentence, Percy Adam lived in a great neighborhood. He had many friends there. Percy woke up morning and took a long stretch. He had a good night and was very rested. We can say this is orientation because in this paragraph it is explained who Percy Adam went one morning, where neighborhood, what Percy woke up morning and took a long stretch. Next.
Next event. First, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. He waited at the door for someone to open it and let him out. He had things to do. Percy walked outside and looked around. Everything seemed fine. They had went and chicken on this friend. Al the dog. Al was still sleeping and did want to go with Percy. Percy walked across the yard and visited the mother bird and her babies. They were fine and waiting some warm for breakfast. They didn't even look at Percy. They were Percy. Percy walked across the sentence visited their friends and Pupa. Pupa was outside there, out in the sun. Pupa was glad to see Percy. They were great friends. Pupa said hello to Percy with a great big meow. Percy gave a meow ring back. Percy and Pupa played and played. We can say this paragraph is paragraph of event because here we have explained what happened in chronological sequence. This is evidenced by the presence of the conjunction phrase which describe a square of event. Next.
Reorientation. They visited their other friends in the neighborhood. It was time to go home. They were tired and it was a good time to take a nap. We can say this is part of reorientation because it contains about the end of an activities they do on the text. And this is paragraph, we can conclude that this text has a happy ending story because the activity they live have a happy ending. Next.
Nggak bisa di next lagi, sumpah.
Hello, my name is Matsala and I want to analyze language feature in this text. The simple past tense is found in the sentence, Percy woke up in the morning and took a long stretch. He walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. He waited at the door for someone to open it and let him out. Percy walked outside and looked around. He went and checked on his friend. Percy walked across the yard and visited the mother bird and her babies. They didn't even look at Percy. Percy walked across the street and visited his friend Buba. Percy gave a meow right back. Percy and Buba play and play. They visited their other friends in the neighborhood. The sentence is simple past tense because contain verb, and the past continuous sentence is found in the sentence I was still sleeping and they were fine and were eating some worm for breakfast. The sentence is past continuous tense because the sentence used to be was or were and verb ing. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Tiara Fajaratnopus. Here I will explain the action verb. Woke up, eating, walk out, went, sleeping, load, visited, played, and go, because it describes an activity.
Hello, my name is Diana Alvina Purisanti and I will explain about the conjunction. While for the conjunction in this text, there is first. The example sentence is first, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. The next conjunction is then. The example sentence in this text is then he went and checked on his friend or the dog. The next conjunction is and. The example sentence in this text is Percy woke up one morning and took a long stretch.
Okay, that's our presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. At this moment, we would like to present our group discussion, which is recontext analysis. Before that, let us introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Berlinda Jausa Herodaita. You can call me Berlin.
My name is Carlota Saudra Priyanto. You can call me Carla.
I'm Chelsea Yunikan Kamaladewi. You can call me Ken.
My name is Dimas Maulidi Nugraha. You can call me Maul or Dimas.
My name is Emilia Fadia Lestari. You can call me Emil.
My name is Isra Mahendra. You can call me Hendra.
Without further ado, let's go straight to the presentation.
Okay, I'm Chelsea Yunikan Kamaladewi. Let me start this presentation by telling you about the general structure of the context. The general structure of the context is orientation, events, and reorientation. The orientation of this text is the first and the second sentences. Becky was visiting Aunt Agatha at her house at the beach. It was a beautiful summer day. And then the events of this text start from the church until the last sentences. Becky had built a giant sand castle that morning. Aunt Agatha took pictures of the castle to send to Becky's parents. It was a great big sand castle. Later that morning, Becky and Aunt Agatha went swimming in the ocean. It was fun to jump with the waves. Then they went in the house and ate sandwiches and strawberries for lunch. Becky wanted to play on the beach that afternoon. Aunt Agatha told her it was too hot to go outside without a hat on. Becky didn't have a hat. Aunt Agatha told her not to worry. She could wear one of hers. Becky tried on her hat. The pink one was really pretty, but it had a big bow in the back that was too long for Becky. The green hat was too fancy for Becky. She did not like that hat at all. The blue hat was nice, but it had an ugly bird on it. Then Becky saw a big brown hat with a yellow ribbon on it. That hat was made of straw. It was a perfect hat for the beach. It was too big for Becky's hat, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. And then this text has no reorientation. Next.
Okay, my name is Isra Mahendra. In this part, I will explain language features. First, this text is using the simple past tense with formula subject plus verb to or irregular verb or regular verb, and past continuous tense with formula using to be, was, or were plus verb ing. Example, Becky had quit. There are Becky is subject and had quit is verb to. And then was visiting, they are past continuous tense. Second, focus on the specific participant. Example, in this text, the main character is Becky. Third, using conjunction. Example, then, and, but. Fourth, using action verb. Example, visiting, quit, took, sent, went, jump, at, want, play, told, work, tried, saw, and made. And then using passive voice. For the example is has built. Next.
Okay, so my name Emilia. I will explain to my part orientation. Who is the character in the story? She is Becky. What Becky doing? She was visiting on Agatha. Where did Becky go? Becky go to beach at Auntie Agatha house. Where does Becky go? It's summer day.
Next one is the event structure, which will be explained by myself, Dimas Maulidi Nugraha. The event structure explains the core of the story. It started with Becky built a giant sand castle. The castle was huge, and Aunt Agatha took a picture and sent it to Becky's parents. After that, they swim in the ocean. They're having a good time. Then they went to the house and ate lunch with sandwich and strawberries. After lunch, Becky wanted to play again on the beach, but Aunt Agatha told her it was too hot to go outside without a hat. She didn't have a hat, and Aunt Agatha lent Becky her hat. Becky tried 4 hats, the pink one, the green one, the blue one, and the brown one. She chose the brown one with yellow ribbon on it. Although the hat was too big, she didn't care. She thinks it was a great hat.
I'm Carlot Salonika will show the use of the past tense highlighted in green. Becky had built a giant sandcastle that morning. Aunt Agatha took picture castle to send to Becky's parents. It was a great big sand castle. Later that morning, Becky and Agatha went swimming in the ocean. It was fun to jump with the waves. Then they went in the house and ate sandwiches and strawberries for lunch. Becky wanted to play on the beach that afternoon. Aunt Agatha told her it was too hot to go outside without a hat on. Becky didn't have a hat. Aunt Agatha told her not to worry. She could wear one of hers. Becky tried on 4 hats. The pink one was really pretty, but it had a big bone in the back that was too long for Becky. The green hat was too fancy for Becky. She did not like that hat at all. The blue hat was nice, but it had a ugly bird on it. Then Becky saw a big brown hat with a yellow ribbon on it. That hat was made of straw. It was a perfect hat for the beach. It was too big for Becky's head, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. Next.
Okay, my name is Berlinda Jausa Herodaita. Next, I will show and explain conjunction in the events paragraph. The conjunction in this context has and but is a coordinating conjunction, and then is a subordination of subordinating conjunction temporal. For example, in the sentence, then Becky saw a big brown hat with a yellow ribbon on it. Next slide. Okay, this is verb 1 of the past tense sentence. The first had, have, built, will, took, take, went, go, ate, eat, want, won, told, tell, tried, try, saw, see.
That's all from our group. We are so sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.